Come on, Scarlett, come on. Come in. What's up, YouTube guys? This is Bablu. It's another quick little video with my Scarlet Macaw. She is doing really absolutely good, amazing. Just going to show you some videos of her playing. Most of the time when she's playing, I haven't even got my phone ready, I haven't got my camera ready, so I miss a lot of it. But I'm just going to show you how she's doing. Come on, Scarlet. Come on. As you can see, she comes to the command. She'll come to my bed like that. And she'll like to lie down like a human being on her back. See some videos. She can also fly back to a perch from here as well. You guys notice. She'll come up here, just sit there and really try to cuddle in. Like she'll try to get, like I mentioned in many of the other videos, guys, it's like a dog. This bird is acting like a dog. It'll come in for cuddles. I've had birds all my life. I haven't had a macaw before, but never known them to be this cuddly tame. So happy that I purchased this bird from a young age. What are you doing, silly Billy? That's my beard. Yeah, it's like a human being, it's like she falls in love with you. Look. She's come from there all the way up here to come in and just cuddling like that. I don't know if you guys can see her. What are you doing? What you doing? It's one part of me always thinks, what if she bites my lip, or if she bites my ear, or pecks me in the eye by accident or something? But so far it's all been good. At the end of the day, guys, they're only animals, you know. They don't know these things. So we just got to be a little bit more careful. But look at this, man. Why don't you go back to your cage now? Go sleep. Oh, I think she might be going. Oh, she's saying like, no, I'm not. Let's show everybody how clever you are, and how you flies back. This bird is absolutely glued to me. Let me show you what she does when she goes in the bed as well. Come here. Come here. Come here. Show you what he does in the bed. Apart from attacking my foot, look. She'll come up here. Lie down. Lie down. Let's show everybody what he does. Come on. She'll do herself. I don't want to force her to do anything what she do not wants to do. Take a look about here. I think she just wants to come in for a cuddle now. Is that what you want to do? Show everybody what you do then. That's it. Show everybody you rolls over. And then, okay, you can bite my finger for a surety. Hold that. Show everybody how you lift up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And the other leg. Macaws, their beak is specially designed so they can hook onto branches of trees. And they got very strong leg, which they can carry the whole weight. Can you show everybody how you do it? Maybe I got a candle in my this hand. Ready, ready, ready. There you go. I put it back down again so she knows she can't hurt herself. And we're doing it on this nice spongy bed. Anyway, she flew from here earlier on. I had my keyboard here and taken 6, 7 buttons out. Haven't you? One button is still lost. Hey. It's mad to know that these birds can live up to 80 years, guys. That's crazy. That's crazy. She thinks she's a human being, this bird. On their feet here they have a ring to identify each bird. Make sure that they're bred in captivity and not taken out of wild. See, she's trusting it more and more. Come here, let's show everybody how you fly back to your perch. Come here. Come here, darling. Come here, darling. Yeah, on the other leg. Ready? 1, 2, 3. She'll go up there, do a little dropping. Come on then. She comes straight back onto this bed here. I'm just going to be quiet to show you what she does there. What do you want? What do you want? It's mad to know that a bird could give so much love and how he understands. If it was a dog or a cat, I understand, but a bird. Good bird, aren't you? You good bird? Showing me where she wants me to scratch her head under the chin, so she likes it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any suggestions, any good ideas, know something about macaws, put a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Look at her, she's supposed to come up and sleep on my bed. That's crazy. So guys, I don't sleep in this room. My room is upstairs. This is my cinema room, as some of you guys might know. But a few weeks I hurt my back and I wasn't able to go upstairs, so I had a temporary bed fitted here, which I spent about 2 weeks down here, which was one way was a blessing because I got really close to spending more time with Scarlett and Chico and the other animals. So I have a room just by there as well with Avery there, so they were there as well. But this Parrot is, you are nuts. You are super tame. Just had to make sure it was filming. This is crazy. Just crazy. And we also have the other bird, which we just taken out of the aviary because it's getting really cold out there. This bird's got some amazing whistles. So I've put her next to Scarlet by there. They can keep each other company and get to know one another. You tired? You tired? Yeah? You are so funny. You are so funny. You biting your own feet. Ready? Ready? Good girl. And look at her gorgeous feathers. Look how beautiful. All these gorgeous colours are. Yes, we're talking about you. Look at her using my leg as a pillow. I'm sure there's a little human being inside you. You don't act like a bird, do you? What are you doing? Is there a human being beside you? Yeah. This is another thing what she does, guys, when she plays. But obviously, look, she don't bite. You can put your finger in her mouth and she just go easy. She just will just play. She just jump on you, jump on your feet. So, okay, guys, I'm just gonna make the video short now because it's just literally gonna be the same thing. Do not want to bore you guys, but if you want to see more videos, there's loads more videos of Scarlett when she was a baby till now. Go back to your bed. Jimmy, go back to your bed. Go back to your bed. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Well, that was good timing. She's just done a dropping on there. What do you want now? I'm going to see what happens if I ignore her. Just ignore her and see what she does. Can't wait for the summer to take her out into the garden so she can fly free. And I think this week I will get a microchip as well, so if she does get lost, there'll be a way of finding her. What you doing? What you doing? Ready? 2 legs. 2 legs. 2 legs. Went with 1 leg, is it? There we go, 1 leg. That wasn't bad, that was a few seconds. I've just fed her as well, so I've got to make sure she doesn't try to regurgitate it all back again. So okay guys, I'm going to leave you there now. Come on Scarlett, that's really going to send you to bed now. So this is where she stays daytime. She's out of her cage. And then obviously, let me just show you guys my aviary I got there as well. So that's the aviary. That's for my monkey Chico and for the macaw. Look at her. Can't go nowhere without her. But in the UK, guys, now it's winter. We're in the month of December, so it's cold. Can't leave them out there that cold. I had to even bring this bird back in now because of the cold weather. The pheasants and the chickens, they're fine. Say goodbye. Don't fly to me now. Don't fly, don't fly. Show me your leg. Wave. 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 Good girl. Do it again. Wave. Wave. 6. Wave. Good girl. Try to put you to bed now. We are going to put you to bed. to make sure with their bed when they go to sleep that the cage is wide enough so it does not touch the tail and damage it. As you can see, right to the back is touching a little bit where she's standing on this part by here. So I'll be getting a new cage for the inside as well. So we don't want those beautiful feathers to be damaged, do we? Do we? Go to bed now. So when she's normally standing on it, the back tail does not touch. Come here, I can show everybody. And they've got these special locks on it so they can't get back out. I'm just going to show you what she's like when she's in a cage. Goodbye, Scarlett. Good night. Good night. She always wants to come out. Thank you for watching, guys.